like ratatouille, just a bunch of dirt on the walls, and somehow something comes out. I don't come from an educated academic background of development. Uh, so for me, the process is, okay, what am I trying to do that is small enough? So whatever I'm trying to do, I always have, okay, what is the small part of this? And then just try to iterate on this. Sometimes I do some sketching to figure out something, but most of the times it's just, okay, that thing should be here, it should click this, should look like this, and just kind of start building it. And most of the time, just start with something that is visual. Okay, it should be a list here. Okay, a list needs this stuff. Okay, so I need to create something on the back end to fill this up. Whenever I find myself driving from the user's point of view, it starts with the visual and everything comes out after that.